Hey everybody, thanks for watching. If you like what we're doing, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell where you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Since the video yesterday, we've made a few changes in the plan. We're taking all these bars off of the long conveyor chain, and we're going to actually, let me get the sun out of the camera. We're going to take all these chains out, and we're going to use the long apron chain to run in here to unroll the bale. Then our conveyor table, we're going to actually attach it to the back of the baler, so it's going to be one unit driving off of one hydraulics instead of having to run two. But we got a little bit of footage put together today for y'all guys. Not much, but because I've been off the farm today doing a bunch of stuff. My son's been peeling. Somebody told me a week or so ago that they was looking for a 90-degree gearbox. There's where your shaft goes to your tractor. The power in. There's your 90-degree coming out, and that's got 540 splines on it. Somebody was mentioning that a week or so ago. So whoever you were, get up with me if that's something that you're interested in. I just wanted to give y'all a little quick update on how it's